Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the GeForce Now error code, 0xC0F52145. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to start a session on GeForce Now, but after waiting in a long queue, they receive this error message instead of getting into the game. There is no official explanation for the cause of the error, but based on our research, it is likely related to network issues or server problems. The first thing you should try is rebooting your router. Once done, relaunch GeForce Now and see if the error still comes. If restarting the router doesn't work, try switching to a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot network and check if this helps. If the error still comes, then go to GeForce Now settings and try changing the server region. Some players have reported that switching servers help them bypass the error. If the error still comes, try switching between the GeForce Now app and the browser version. If you are using the app, try accessing GeForce Now through your browser and vice versa. If none of these fixes work, the issue may be server-related. Visit status.geforcenow.com to check if GeForce Now services are down. If the servers are having issues, you will need to wait until they are back online. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.